Here's how to download apps on Lenovo laptop. First, open the Start menu, search for Microsoft Store, and launch it. The Microsoft Store is the built-in app on Windows that lets you safely download and install applications. Once the Microsoft Store opens, click Apps from the left panel to browse the available applications. Now, if you scroll through the list, you'll find a wide range of apps that you can download. Some of them are completely free, while others require a purchase. You can also browse through different categories, such as photo and video editing apps, customize your space, music and podcasts, and many more to find the apps you're looking for. If you're looking for a specific app, use the search bar at the top. For example, if you want to install Instagram, type Instagram into the search box and press enter. From the search results, click the application you want to install. Then click the Get or Install button and wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the installation is complete, you can click Open to launch the app immediately. You can also open the Start menu, search for the app by its name, and launch it from there whenever you want. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.